Hey everybody, this is Gene Hackers with the Builderall team, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect and publish your domains with the proper DNS servers. So first we want to go to your Cheetah website builder and go to the site that you've created. You want to click on the three dots down here and then go up to where it says Connect Domain. Click on Connect Domain. Now before you get to this step, you should have already bought a domain with your domain provider. That could be GoDaddy, HostGator, or Namecheap. For this example, I have Namecheap. So I'm going to go to Namecheap where I purchased my domain, and this is my domain. So I'm going to copy this, go back to my Cheetah, and I want to create a subdomain because this domain is already linked to one of my Builderall sites. So I'm going to type testing SMS dot. Now I want to click next. It's going to ask me, do I really want to connect this domain? So make sure that you have the proper spelling and it's correct. I'm going to click confirm. Then it tells you that it was connected successfully. But what you need to do now, it's giving you the DNS servers that you need to connect with your domain provider. And here are the name servers that you need to copy with your domain provider. There's also the IP, but for this example, we just need the name servers. So I'm going to grab name server 1, copy, go back to my Namecheap, then click on manage. Now, since I'm using Namecheap, all I have to do is click on where it says Namecheap Basic DNS, go to Custom DNS, and then I want to paste in here the name server 1, go back, copy the name server 2, copy it, and then I want to paste the second name server down here. Then you want to click the check mark and then wait 24 to 48 hours. Usually it does do it fairly quickly, about 30 to an hour, but there are cases that it could take 24 to 48 hours to propagate. So now we go back to Cheetah and click close. And as you can see right here, the domain is connected and I have waited the proper time to wait for the domain to propagate. I can click on the three dots, click on domain info, and I've selected the domain here so I can copy it exactly. You don't have to do that if you know your domain. I'm going to open a new tab, paste the domain, press enter. And as you can see, it went straight into the website and I have the domain that I connected to this website. All right, I hope this was helpful. And once again, my name is Gene Hackers with the Builderall team.